Vegas and happy new year. My name is Donald Marquez and welcome to another edition of Your Insurance Connection, the first edition for year 2020. We're here at 2020 already. It's amazing. I mean, the time goes by so fast. Life just continues. Regardless of what you got to do, it just keeps going on and on. 2020. Wow, so many of us are still in amaze how we made it this far in life. You know, I mean, we've seen a lot of people leave us. We miss them very much, but we're here at 2020. I hope you have some positive outcomes for this year. This is going to be a good year for everyone. I just want everyone just to be thankful to be here, be healthy. I am. I had a wonderful New Year's. I was in Atlanta, Georgia for the New Year's celebrating. You know, it's funny because when they celebrated New Year's at one of the place called the Juke Joint downtown New Atlanta. And by 12:30, the place was cleared out. I couldn't believe it. I mean, Vegas, you know, we just getting started at 12 o'clock. They was gone by 12:30. The place was closing up. They was ready to go home. But anyway, I'm back. Wonderful vacation. Had a beautiful holiday. Celebrated a birthday. And I'm here. First show in 2020. I want to thank you for listeners that came in and purchased home, auto, and life insurance. And all the listeners that was patient with me during my holiday. I was off, and they booked appointments. When I was in Atlanta booking appointments in my appointment book, I want to thank you for your patience. We got a lot of done yesterday. I left my office very late yesterday helping you out with your insurance. My name is Donald Marquez. We talk about insurance on Your Insurance Connection. My number is 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. My location is on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the beautiful U.S. Bank building. Jump in the Cadillac, put some miles on it. Come and see me. Right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the U.S. Bank building. I'm located on the 8th floor by appointment, 702-236-2624. Give me a call. Let's sit down and review your home, auto, and life insurance. It is so much to be looked at. Don't ever take for granted you're good. I get that all the time, especially when it comes to life insurance. I'm good. I bought this policy a long time ago. I'm good. But, you know, we do have on some policies, you know, it is a feature in a policy called the cost of insurance. Now, if you notice your life insurance policy going up because you're getting older, it's called the cost of insurance, because would you pay the minimum premium? Now, the premium you was told when you purchased a life insurance policy, whatever that premium is, as you get older, it could be going up on you, the price of your life insurance. And you wonder why. Why is my life insurance going up? Because the cost of insurance goes up as you get older. Okay? The cost of insurance goes up as you get older. Now, this does affect universal life insurance policies. You know, if you have a UL, universal life insurance policy, not so much whole life. Whole life already has that element already built in it. Most whole life policies, all the whole life policies that I offer has that element already built into it. So if you're getting older and you notice your life insurance policy is going up, you know, the premium is going up every month or every year, you know, call me. Let's take a review. That's very important to have a review. We could stop it. We can get us an illustration page. What is the illustration page? It's the heart of the policy. I can tell you exactly what how your policy is going to perform. You know, and this checkpoint happens when you start turning in your 60s, 70s, and 80s. And all of a sudden, you could be out of insurance. You could be out of force at 80. Now, some of you say, well, I got life insurance on my job. Oh, that's fine. What happens when you retire? Or what happens when they lay you off? Or what happens when you quit? Or maybe you want to start your own business. Now you need some life insurance. My name is Donald Marquez. You're tuning into Your Insurance Connection. We've been on the air now for 5 years. And we're going into 2020 just with a positive attitude. We're going to see as many of you as we can. Call me today at 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. My location is on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in a beautiful U.S. Bank building. Jump in the Cadillac, put some miles on it. Come see me, 702-236-2624. I'm here for you. We can help you with your auto insurance, homeowners insurance. Yes, and we offer renters insurance as well. Renters insurance is very important to have, especially in the state of Nevada, because the landlord does not protect your personal property. And Kim had a show talking about the dogs. Well, that's real cute. I remember back in the day we had ghetto dogs. If you got sick, you just went out there and ate grass. There wasn't no veterinarian. That's groceries. Are you kidding me? You know, we take no dog to no veterinarian. But it was a nice show. I really enjoyed it, and I was joking with her on the way out. I said, Kimberly, you know, back in the day, we didn't take no dogs to no veterinarian. You tell Butch to go out there and eat some grass. You know, so anyway, my name is Donald Marquez. We love to have fun here at Your Insurance Connection. But if you have a renter's insurance policy, the renter's insurance policy does cover the dogs. Now, if you have a pit bull or a Rottweiler, it may not cover your pit bull or Rottweiler. I know you say, oh, I got good dogs. They go, it's okay. But they have a bite history. They don't cover the pit bull or the Rottweiler. You may have to sign an endorsement saying they're not covered. My name is Donald Marquez. Call me at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. I want to thank the people on Facebook, too, as well. We're Facebook Live. If you want to tune in, just go to Donald Marquez, and we're on Facebook Live. You can check out the show live. If you can't call me, you can always text me at 702-236-2624. I will contact you right after the show. Now, I'm also going to open up the phone lines. If you have any questions, 702-647-3688, 702-647-3688. Give us a call. Ask some questions. I'll be more than happy to receive your phone calls. But again, the cost of insurance, as you get older, yet cost of insurance could be going up on an annual basis. Now, if that is happening to you, this is why you need a life insurance review. If you haven't reviewed your policy in a long time, or you just bought a life insurance policy and you're not sure what you purchased, I tell people this. The worst way to buy a life insurance policy, number one, when you call me and ask for a quote for life insurance, we do not give quotes over the phone. I need to see you face to face, and you want to see me too. I need to make sure you're healthy. I got to make sure you do qualify for the life insurance policy, and it's not that difficult to qualify. It is really not. But I need a face to face. I have to have a personal experience with all my clients. All my clients. They come up to the 8th floor. We sit down. We talk about it because everything's there. You may qualify for more life insurance than you realize. Just quoting you over the phone. That's just I don't do that. That's not fair to you. I'm not giving you an accurate quote, and that's not fair to me. Your body dictates the rate. Believe it or not, your body dictates the insurance rate for life insurance. Now, if you have health problems, okay, you're going to be rated as such. Now, if you have diabetes, we can get you a life insurance policy. If you've been turned down for a life insurance policy, don't give up. Call me, Donald Marquez, 702-236-2624. You know the number. You've been listening to me for a long time. I've been talking about life insurance, the importance of life insurance, over and over. Every show I always talk about life insurance. And the reason why, I noticed in our demographics, in our population, this is where financial literacy is most important. Having life insurance. Because when we lose a loved one, oh my goodness, it puts the family in financial stress. Everybody's at each other. You know what I'm talking about. Who's going to pay for this? We can't cremate daddy or mama. We know how we talk to each other sometimes. The church is not going to pay for it. You don't want to be out there begging and asking people to help you with your own responsibility. Call me. My name is Donald Marquez. We can find a policy for you that fits in your budget. We can help you at Your Insurance Connection. I'm an insurance broker. You don't pay me. The insurance companies compensate me. Okay? You don't pay me at all. Don't cost you any money to come see me. I don't charge you a bit. At the end of the day, even if I don't offer you a policy, even if we don't get there, there is no fee. Okay? There's no fee. So the insurance companies compensate me. We help you with your insurance. You need to know what your roadmap is. You need to know what your roadmap is. We'll look at your life insurance policy. We'll go over the index page. And if you don't have your life insurance policy, you can contact your current insurance company and ask for a duplicate policy. Now, a duplicate policy may cost you $25 or as high as $50. Just it really depends on the company. Now, however, if you ask for an illustration of your policy, they can fax it to you, they can email it to you, or send it to you in the mail. There's no cost. And why would you want this important document? Because you're paying on the policy every month. You probably misplaced the policy. So when you get your new policy, just put about those in the closet somewhere with those blue suede shoes after I do an insurance review or something. Just keep it in a place where everybody knows where it is. Now, if you do have a life insurance policy and you haven't talked to the beneficiary and say, you know what, you're my beneficiary, when that day comes, this is where the policy is. Have you had that conversation with your beneficiary? And I know a lot of beneficiaries, sons, daughters, don't husbands, not so much husbands, wives, but sons and daughters, they don't want to hear that conversation. Well, I don't want to talk about that. Don't do that. Don't do that. You need to talk about it. It's very important because when that day comes, and it comes for all of us, and we need to stop saying if that day comes. When it comes, then all of a sudden now you have to go into action. And who wants to tear up someone's home to go into action? You don't have to do that. Make sure you know what the life insurance policy is. Make sure you tell that person, you are my beneficiary. Here's my life insurance policy. You could give it to them. There's nothing they can do with it. You can have a life insurance policy. Your son or your daughter could pay for it. They're the beneficiary. They're the parent on it, and they still can't pick up the phone and call and ask for information about the life insurance policy because you are the owner. You're the only one can pick up the phone and call and change anything in your policy. Change your address, change your banking accounts, But if you let's say if you're slipping with dementia or you have health problems and you want someone else to be the owner of your life insurance policy, the only thing you need is what we call a change of ownership form from the life insurance company, and they can make that person the owner so they can call in, make changes to the policy, change addresses, change banking accounts. They can be the owner. You're still the insured. It just gives access to that other person. Again, but if you don't want to do that, that's fine. The beneficiary, you can give the beneficiary the policy so they'll have it in their possession. When that day comes, they can take action. Now, what is action? They can take that life insurance policy to the funeral home. Now, most funeral homes will accept certain policies, some they won't. Now, if you have an accidental only life insurance policy, and this is one of them, an accidental only life insurance policy, and one of your loved ones pass away of natural causes, that policy is voided. I mean, it's no good. Well, I've been paying on this life and death. My mother has been paying on life insurance policy for the last 20 years. It's an accidental only. Your mother passed away of natural causes. Doesn't pay. So if you have an accidental only life insurance policy because something came in the mail and you can get $1 million for 50 cents a month, and that's I'm laughing because they don't charge anything for those policies. You can get a lot of insurance. Do the math. I mean, does it make sense? They're going to offer you a lot of money. Okay, you can get $500,000 for $12 a month. I mean, come on now. Come on now. That's an accidental only life insurance policy. Now, if you're out there racing speedboats, drag racing cars, jumping out of airplanes, climbing mountains, mountain climbing at 75 years young, climbing mountains, then you need an accidental only life insurance policy. You really do. You really do, because you live that Evel Knievel lifestyle. But if you don't live that Evel Knievel lifestyle and you have an accidental only life insurance policy, and I've talked to many of you just want to hold on to that. If I'm in a car accident, well, guess what? That car accident is excluded in an accidental only life insurance policy in most policies. That accidental only life insurance policy probably pay out less than 1%. So you have a chance of 99.9% not getting paid, your beneficiary not getting paid on accidental only life insurance. For more information, call me. My name is Donald Marquez. My number is 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. I kind of lost my voice there a little bit. Good morning, Frank. How you doing, man?
All right, pretty good. How about you?
Yeah, you lost a loved one in St. Louis. How did everything go?
Yeah, everything's good now. So I feel pretty good for the time being. I'll probably be back there sometime next month, in the next month, so check on things. But other than that, thank you for all your support and everything. So really appreciate that.
Yeah, you're
Family
welcome.
says hi.
The family says hi. Tell them I said hello and say I've been to St. Louis. What part of St. Louis?
Central West End. That's probably the closest area. Yeah, over by Forest Park.
Forest Park.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Tell them I said hello.
All right.
All right. I've been to St. Louis, all over that place. Anyway, welcome back. First of the year, 2020. We're gonna knock them out this year, man. We're gonna do the thing.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. People's gonna call. People are going to call us. We're going to make it happen. Now, Frank is, tell them what you do, Frank, because you do so many things. I can't keep up with all those titles you have and all these phones. You got like 4 or 5 phones over there.
Yeah, most of the phones are for video marketing and advertising. Also, my main thing is social media management. So Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Okay. So anyone looking to do those services, feel free to reach out, 702-979-4877.
Or if you can't get Frank, just call me.
Or just call me.
Yeah, just call me. I'll get you in touch with Frank. Frank, I don't know what number to call him on, but...
It's a lot of them.
Yeah. I have one phone. I don't want 3, 4 phones.
Yeah, it's all video.
It's all video. Oh, that's all good. That's all good. Anyway, but so what Frank does, he collects questions from people from Facebook and people just contacting him and asking questions. And what do you have for us today?
My first question is, this person needs help for policies for their parents. Their dad is healthy. They're saying that their dad is healthy, their mom has cancer, and they've been divorced for 20 years, and the person that's writing is their only caretaker and needs to know if it's even possible to get life insurance on the mom who has cancer, or is it considered an existing condition?
It is considered a existing condition. However, if she's being treated for cancer and if she doesn't have a short life expectancy, some people have cancer, they've been treated for years. Now, with a cancer patient under age 85 and under, we can get you up to $15,000 worth of whole life insurance. Okay? If you have cancer and you have a longer life expectancy, in other words, you're not stage 4 with a short life expectancy, we can get your life insurance policy. Call me, 702-236-2624. Really good question. I sometimes, when I get the cancer patients, I feel bad. I really do. I lost my wife as a result of cancer, and my mother had it. My daughter had it at a young age. So it's been in my family, and I know how that is. The pain it carries with it. I feel it. I felt it every day. I mean, I do. I lost my wife as a result of cancer, and loved ones that had to be treated for cancer over the years. And even my father passed away of lung cancer, and he never smoked. He didn't do anything. He didn't smoke, drink, or anything. But, we can help you. This is why I'm on the radio. I want to help you. We can get you up to $15,000 of whole life insurance if you have cancer, being treated for cancer. Call us today at 702-236-2624. And that's very important, not to procrastinate. We need to get you some life insurance. 702-236-2624.
All right. This next question, this person says that they have group life insurance, group life and supplemental life insurance policies from their employer, and wants to know, do they generally cover burial and or cremation services in case of death?
The supplemental policies supplement your income when you're out for disability purposes. Now, if you're not able to go to work, good question. If you're not able to go to work, now these policies do kick in at a certain time. I don't know what the grace period is. I do not offer supplemental policies, but I do have a little bit of background with them. They supplement your income. Basically, that's what they do. Now, as far as paying for the burial, I seriously doubt it. You have to read your contract. It could have it in there at a minimal. However, the best thing to do is this. With any questions or concerns, you can bring that supplemental policy in. We can review it. Now, sometimes I will pick up the phone and contact the insurance companies if I have questions. I don't have a problem with that. You will give me permission while you're in my office to talk to your insurance company. And these questions that I may or may not can answer, they can answer for us. 702-236-2624. This is the best way to do it. Don't guess if you're good. Don't go around and say, oh, I got my life insurance. I had my life insurance for all this time. And all of a sudden you get older, and all of a sudden the cost of insurance starts to go up, and the cost of insurance will go up. It will go up. Now, if you take out a loan, this is real important. If you take out a loan on a life insurance policy, you can take out a loan. You're taking out a loan from the cash value asset. However, if you do not pay that loan back, we call it Rule of 7. That loan doubles every 7 years. Okay? So if you don't take out a loan on a life insurance policy, you don't pay it back, that loan doubles every single year. Now, Every 7 years, that loan doubles. Now, if you took out 1,000 in 7 years, you got 2,000, and another 14 years, you had 4,000, and it goes up and up. Think about it. It erodes the cash. It erodes the cash value, and it increases the cost of insurance. So if you take out a loan, and this is very important, if you take out a loan on a life insurance policy, and depending on your interest going into the cash value, you could take all the cash value out of your policy. The policy now has a negative balance in the cash value. Now the cost of insurance is going to weigh up on you. Even if you don't take out a loan out, the cost of insurance could go up on you. This is why it's important to bring the policies in. We can review them. 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Give me a call today. We'll contact you right after the show. I know it's the first of the year, and I said, well, I'll do it next month, and I'll do it next. I've had people tell me, well, we're gonna do it before the holidays. They didn't do anything before the holidays. Holidays came, I called them up and say, this Donald Marquez, you're gonna come in before the holidays. They said, well, we'll come in the first of the year. So we have to stop kicking the can. All right, pick up the can, throw it away. Call me today, 702-236-2624. What else do you have, Frank?
And I got one more question. This person wants to know, they aren't sure of what type of insurance to buy. They're a 35-year-old male with 2 kids and a wife, and he's 100% healthy. He doesn't drink or smoke or have any pre-existing conditions, and wants to know what is the best policy to get as far as whole life or term for the money.
That is an excellent question. I had a gentleman came in yesterday, and he has a large family, around the same age, and we got him $500,000 worth of. We're getting $500,000 worth of life insurance for him and his large family. He came in, he heard me on the radio. He's around the same age. This is a great age to pay low cost for a lot of insurance. Now we do have options. I would look at a universal life, and also we'll look at a 30-year term policy. At that 35-year young age, you can look at a term. You have 2 children. You're buying a home. I know you're building your wealth. Let's look at a 30-year term policy. 30-year. Now, I like to, for every one child you have and a spouse, $100,000 per person. Now, that's a lot of coverage, but the cost is going to be low because you're healthy and you're 35. My name is Donald Marquez. This is Your Insurance Connection. If you're tuned in for the very first time, welcome to the show. This is going to be exciting 2020. We're going to have guests on the show. We're going to have people that's going to help you better understand why it's so important to have life insurance. I'm going to contact Andre, what's his name? Andre over at Serenity. Get him back over here. We're going to get some, we probably get some ministers over here too. Oh, we're gonna do it up this year. We're gonna let everybody know why it's so important to have, a burial policy, a life insurance policy in place. Now, not only we look at your life insurance, we look at your home and auto too as well. Now, if we could save you money on your auto insurance to offset the cost of life insurance or reduce the cost of life insurance for you, why not get a review? Why not get it? If you could save some money on your life insurance, home and auto, why not? Why not? I try to save money on my own insurance every single year. I was asked yesterday, do I get a discount being an insurance agent? No, I don't. No, the insurance companies don't discount me because I'm an agent. I have to pay too. No, but again, it doesn't cost you any money to come see me. 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Real quick, Frank, who you like on the Super Bowl? Who
Baltimore and San Francisco.
Baltimore and San Francisco. Baltimore.
Lock it in.
San Francisco.
Yep.
Okay, that would be an interesting Super Bowl. Yeah, I like that.
Mm-hmm.
The Aints are out. The Saints are out.
I knew that was
that was a shock. Yeah, man, that's too bad. But anyway, it is what it is, right?
Who you like?
I like Baltimore.
Yeah,
I do. I think they're going to go all the way. It's a whole nother game out there. The quarterback position, you can't stand back in the pocket no more. Brady's gone. So we got.
I knew that was coming.
Yeah, well, what's it called? Old England now.
Yeah, old England. It's a good.
Old England,
Old
right?
England.
Well, but he still got some. He still got game in him.
I don't know. There's rumors circulating he might The Vegas is in play and San Diego or
Vegas?
L.A.
Oh
Yeah.
man, that would be huge.
I know.
But
I don't see it, but
I mean, you know what? If you go out on top. I mean, he has nothing to prove, but he just probably loves the game.
mm-hmm.
He probably loves the game, and I can understand that. But at 43 years young, trying to get those young fellas knocking you out all the time, I don't know. I just have to go out. Look at that. Peyton Manning did the right thing. He won a Super Bowl and just split, and he's all over the TV. He's selling Tide, he's insurance. I mean, every time you look up the TV, Peyton Manning selling something. Him and Shaq. Go out on top, man. Don't get hurt out there trying to just play football. Be a coach. He could probably be an excellent. He could be an excellent coach.
I think so too.
Yeah, he could be an excellent. But that's a lot of pressure being. That's a lot of pressure being a player, but it's a whole lot of pressure being a coach. The Cowboys are out for all the Cowboy fans. If you didn't know they're out, they're out. They probably already know it. Brian has a sad face. Cowboys are out.
Benzo, he's a
Cowboy fan. Yeah. I like the Cowboys. But they make some. I don't understand some of the plays they be calling. I'm a couch coach, okay?
Yeah, me too.
I'm a couch coach, so I'm coaching from my couch. What are you doing? What? Maybe they get when they over there reviewing. Sometimes I think they get a call from Vegas. No, don't put that. Don't reverse that.
Yeah.
Let it go.
So.
Or reverse it. we got too much riding on it. Because they're on the phone. They're talking to somebody. Yeah, they're talking to Vegas.
Start to wonder after a while.
They call them the casinos. I think that's what that's my own opinion. My opinion don't count. Anyway, this is Your Insurance Connection. We love to have fun on Your Insurance Connection. We have a couple of minutes left. If you want to squeeze in a call real quick, 702-647-3688. 702-647-3688. Again, with your life insurance, your home, your auto, let's take a look at it. If you have that classic car or motorcycle, we can cover you with your classic car and your motorcycle as well. If you're just moving to Vegas and you get an insurance shock, call me today because you thought coming to Las Vegas, your insurance would be less than you were coming from Minnesota, in the Midwest, or even California. If we have a lot of Californians. Now, to be honest, I'm going to tell you, Utah has some of the lowest car insurance rates I've ever seen. Utah does. I mean, even the gas is lower than Utah than it is here or California. But their insurance rates, I looked at Utah's insurance rates. Oh my God, it is really low. But I don't want to live in Utah. I really don't. I mean, maybe I can get a house right across the state line or something like that. Because my insurance is high. I need to change my cars or something. I'm going to do something different this year. Maybe I'll find me that Pinto station wagon with the wood on the side. I don't know. Get it all nice. Put some 22s on it. Make it look good. I don't know. But I got to do something this year. This is going to be a change. A change is coming. We want a change come for you too as well. My name is Donald Marquez. Call me today at 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. I've been an insurance agent for the last 23 years and on May it'll be 24 years. That's my anniversary in May. That's when I got my license and my first gig, and I started with Allstate, and then I got recruited to AAA, and now I'm an insurance broker. I should have been an insurance broker a long time ago because I have a lot more options. I have multiple companies I can operate through. Call me today at 702-236-2624. We will be here Friday from 9:30 to 10 o'clock right here, Power 88. You guys have a wonderful week. Until then, just keep it crispy.